Hi guys, it's Debra from Timeless Jewel by Debra. Well, welcome to our summer purse collab. Oh, I am so excited for this one. So everyone is doing something a little bit different. Today, I will be selling some wallets and purses and totes. So I'm excited about that, giving you guys some great deals. Oh, yes. And then today we were started off with Chere, and then Suzie was next, and then Suzanne or Stephanie, then Jamie, Misty, myself, and after me is Cammy. And then we have Pat and Christina. I will have all the information linked below with their direct links once their videos are up. So you guys will be able to check out what everybody has. So I will post a green screen at the end of the video with ordering instructions. And what you do is you can email me at timelessjewelbydebra@gmail.com. And you will just need to send me which purse you were interested in. A snapshot would be great. They're pretty much all different. There's a few that kind of look alike. So this will be a short and sweet video for me. So let me show you some of the bags and wallets, and I will include another video with more information. So we're going to have a Kate Spade wallet. We are going to have a Mark by Marc Jacobs wallet. We are going to have a vintage Brighton. We are going to have a Lulu lemon fanny pack. I got great prices for you guys. Then we have the cutest coach. I love this coach. Love this one. Then we're going to have a vintage Dooney in black. Love this bag. Then we're going to have a Coach, super pretty. Then we're going to have another Coach. That's why I said they're kind of similar in color. So what I'll have you guys do is, if you're interested in them, you can give me a screenshot and let me know which one you were looking for. I'm going to have a blue Kate Spade. We're going to have an orange Michael Kors. I love this bag. I really, really wish that I carried big bags because I love this bag. All right. And then we're going to do a Kate Spade tote. And the last one, oh, so far away, is a beautiful Kate Spade. So how I'll do this is I will have little video clips next, and they will have more information. I'll give you measurements and prices. So don't forget that after me is Cammy. And if you guys have missed any of these videos, make sure you go back and watch them and let them know that we sent you. So, all right, you guys, I will see you in 1 second. Let's get into the bags. All right, so here is my first wallet. This is a bright pink. It is beautiful. I did clean it up, but it does have a little bit of wear there. It has like a piece of glitter here. I'm sure you could get that off maybe with some good, careful scrubbing. This is 7.5 by 4.5. The inside is fantastic. Right up here, there is some wear, but I am going to let this go. This bright pink Kate Spade. Let's do it for $10. All right, so my second is a Mark by Marc Jacobs. This again has like a glitter. I have no idea why. There is wear here on the metal. This is the same size. There is glitter here as well, but the inside is in nice condition. There you go. There's that telltale black and white print. So just some glitter. I'm not sure if that can come off with a little saddle soap. Not positive. This is also 7.5 by 4.25. We will go ahead and do that for $10 as well. This is one of my favorite bags. I have this in many styles in my personal closet. So this is pink and white here, brown here. There is a little bit of dirt there. I'm sure that can be cleaned. A little speck there. And on here, there is a mark right there, a tiny one there, a stain right there, but I'm sure someone could work on it. It is super adorable. Let me go ahead and take this stuff out. So it is brown inside. It will hold a cell phone. I love this bag, and they still sell bags like this every day at the Coach store. I haven't been to one in a while, but I know they still sell it. It is a beautiful crossbody. It is adjustable straps. It's 8.5 inches by 7.5, and I'm gonna let her go for, let's do her for 12. So our next bag is a Lululemon chartreuse. It is a true chartreuse green fanny pack. It's 14 inches by 6 inches. It has the adjustable there. There's a little bit of wear here. I'm not sure if it's like puckering, but it's still a great bag. Perfect for going out thrift shopping, running, walking. I'm going to let the Lululemon go for, let's do $5. This is a great vintage brand. Love the style. This is a Brighton. There is problems right here on the metalwork. Not positive what can be done to clean that up. Somewhere there. It is a nice bag. Just a little bit of white there. Let me go ahead and unstuff this. I personally love Brighton bags like this. I stuffed it a little too well, I think. All right. This is what the inside looks like. It is pretty clean. You do have wear here on the brown, but I know a lot of you guys are really good at getting that fixed up. But on the whole, this bag is fantastic. It is vintage. A little bit of scratching there, but a little bit of elbow grease on your guys' part, and it will be really nice. So your strap is in fantastic condition. We'll go ahead and do this Brighton. It's, it's 8 by 10, 8.5 by 10, and a little bit, you know, of the discoloration here, but a little shoe polish should be able to get that fixed up. I'm going to let her go for $20. All right, so the next purse is a classic. This is Dooney and Burke. It's tan and cream, all weather leather. It's 10 3/4 inches by 7.5. There are some marks here, some minor scratching, a little dirt there. You might be able to clean that out with a little saddle soap. It is a beautiful bag. There is some markings right there. Here is the inside. It is very clean considering. It is a lovely, lovely bag. Here's your handle. It is in pretty nice condition. There's a little white mark here that might even actually be able to come off with some cleaning, but it is a fantastic classic bag. We're going to go ahead and let's do 20 on that. All right, I love this bag. This is a Coach. It is cream and tan leather. It definitely needs a good cleaning. It's 13.5 by 8. Let me go ahead and show you the handles here. They look pretty good. There is some wear right here, a little mark there. Here is the bottom corners. Here is the back. It is a open top. Let me go ahead and de-stuff it. That's the best part. Throw it on the ground. Sorry about that, you guys. So here is the inside. It is really a clean bag in there. Here is your creed. And like I said, it does need a little cleanup. It is pretty good, you know, like right there. A little bit on the backs. So for this Coach, let me go ahead and put that back up there. For that Coach, let's do 15 since it needs some work. This is another beautiful Coach cream with the brown. The brown leather is in fantastic condition. There is a lot of wear here on the tops. This one definitely needs more work than the other one. It needs a good polishing, maybe some shoe polish. The edges here, they are worn, but it is still a lovely bag. There is a mark there, here again, but it is a lovely bag. You have a zipper top. We go ahead and de-stuff that one. So this has a blue inner. Let me go ahead and get this up there for you. It is in pretty nice condition. There are some pen marks in there. Here is your creed. It is a lovely, lovely shoulder pad. Definitely a pad. Shoulder purse. Definitely needs some work, some rehab. On this one, it's 12.5 by 9. We'll go ahead and do that for 10. All right, this is such a beautiful color. This is a Kate Spade. It is blue. I'll show you the discoloration on the handles and on the corners. It is leather. It's 7.5 by 8. Go ahead and bring this up. Show you the wear here. It's just some, I'm sure it could be scrubbed off. Go ahead and move that out of the way. Here is the inside. You do have a shoulder strap. Here it is super, super clean. Really nice. There is no spots on this one, I believe. Nope, I don't see any spots. Most of the wear is on the handles, but it is a fantastic bag. And we're going to go ahead and do that Kate Spade. Let's do that one for 30. This bag is so wonderful. This is a Michael Kors. It's orange. There's some wear on it, but it is beautiful. I love this tassel. So it's gold tone and orange. It's 13 inches by 12.5. Let me go ahead and take this off. I'm going to move that out of the way. So you do have wear on the corners. Here there is a little bit of discoloration right there. There's like some kind of a mark right here. Again, there's the bottoms. There is wear on there. But it is a beautiful bag, and hopefully nobody is that close to you, right? That they're going to see it. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and show you the inside. I unstuffed it off camera, a little bit easier. Michael by Michael Kors. Here is the inside. It is a lovely, lovely bag. So again, only the spot, like right here, it's like a discoloration where the orange kind of came off. There's a little mark there. You have that marking here and the corner wear. But otherwise, this bag is fantastic. So it is just beautiful, high quality. For this Michael Kors, again, it's 13 by 12.5. We're going to go ahead and do 20. All right, so this is a Kate Spade. It is so pretty. It is a light cream with a beige, and there's a little spot there. I'll show you all the little flaws on it. It's 14 by 11. It is beautiful. This one has piping that's missing right here, so I want you to be aware of that. But some people are really good at putting another coating on there, so if you are able to do that, that would be fantastic. Here is the back. I cleaned up the bottom the best I could, a little more saddle soap, and that baby should be spotless. All right, let me go ahead and take all the puff out. Now there are pen marks down here in the bottom. Let me go ahead and see if I can lift this one up. Yes, I can. All right. So there is some stains here and pen marks that I was not able to get out. I did not work on it very hard. So that is, if that's something that you love, that kind of a challenge, this is a still pretty bag. So don't forget, it needs new trim piping there. But otherwise, it is a pretty, pretty bag. I'm going to go ahead and do this Kate Spade for 15. This bag is so pretty. It is another Kate Spade taupe. It is like a salmon, watermelon, pink color. It is lovely. It is 14 by 11 on this one. This one also needs to have the trim and piping redone here. Let me go ahead and show it to you while it's stuffed. There are some scratch marks, some like black on there. I did not clean this one up. It is in pretty nice condition besides the handles and those marks. Let me go ahead and take all this out, show you the inside. So I love this color. I think it's so pretty. It can be used for more than summer and spring. So there is the inside. Let me show you the back. So there is some darkening on the inside. Go ahead and bring that up so you guys can see that. This could definitely use a good cleanup right here. There's some dirt. It is a beautiful bag. So again, the problems with this bag are it needs piping, but what a lovely, lovely color. And it does have some marking here, like some black marks on it. So for this Kate Spade, we're going to do 15 on this one. Well, thank you so much, everybody, for joining us for this collab. So excited to have a midsummer collaboration. Great resellers, great creators. We have loved doing this. Oh my goodness, this has been fantastic. So if you're interested in any of these bags, email me at timelessjewelbydebra@gmail.com and let me know which bag you were looking for, and probably a snapshot would be best as well. So all right, you guys, don't forget, you're going to go on to the next person, and I will have that information linked next. All right, you guys, thanks. Bye.